What is this? This is a doll. What is that? That is a cat. What do you want to do? I want to play computer games. Who are they? They are students. What do you do? I eat cake. Why are you so sad? I got bad marks in exam. What are you doing here? I am here for buying fish. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. What's your profession? I am a doctor. What were you doing there? I was buying fruits. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. Who is the fellow? He is my brother. Do you need any help? Yes, please help. What do you do? I work in the bank. When are you busy? I am busy today. What do you like? I like to listen music. What are you doing? I'm doing my homework. What is that? That is a pencil. Whose book is this? This is my book. Where are you going? I'm going for a walk. What does your mom do? My mom is a homemaker. Do you sell books? No, I sell medicines. Did you take your medicine? Yes, I took my medicine. Where is your house? It's near the park.